Hi friends, welcome back to our Finmigna channel, your trusted platform for learning and preparing for NISM mock test series. సో ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో NISM 10-year ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ అడ్వైజర్ లెవెల్ 1 ఫిన్విగ్నా మాక్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ పార్ట్ 19 అనేది చేస్తున్నాం. ఇప్పటి వరకు మన ముందు పార్ట్స్ లో పార్ట్ 1 టు పార్ట్ 18 ఏదైనా చూడకపోతే ఒకసారి చూడండి. మన ఛానల్లో ఆల్రెడీ ఆ వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చూస్తున్నారంటే వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ మా వీడియోస్ నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఎవరైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ NISM సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే వాళ్ళకి కూడా కొంచెం ఈ వీడియోస్ షేర్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ కి చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. And our first question is, what makes a longer time period in the future important when considering earnings on an investment? Let's see the options. Option A, fixed returns over time. Option B, immediate returns are guaranteed. Option C, long-term compounding benefits. Option D, short-term gains are significant. And the correct answer is option C, long-term compounding benefits. And the next question is, what is the top-down approach adopted by investment advisors? And the given options are option A, emphasizing asset allocation. Option B, ignoring risk preference. Option C, selecting specific stocks. Option D, focusing on bonds. And the correct answer is option A, emphasizing asset allocation. And the next question is, what does a higher liquidity ratio suggested about a household? And the given options are option A, low financial stability. Option B, comfortable liquidity position. Option C, inadequate savings. Option D, difficulty meeting expenses. And the correct answer is option B, comfortable liquidity position. And the next question is, what is the importance of understanding irregular income in preparing a household budget? And the given options are option A, to increase discretionary expenses. Option B, to estimate monthly surplus. Option C, to ignore source of income. Option D, to minimize investment income. And the correct answer is option B, to estimate monthly surplus. And the next question is, how does liquidity risk is in exchange traded currency derivatives ETCD impacts client's order? And the given options are option A, ensures complete execution. Option B, reduces transactions cost. Option C, minimizes price difference. Option D, may lead to partial execution or higher price differences. And the correct answer is option D, may lead to partial execution or higher price differences. And the next question is, what is the significance of creating asset in financial planning? And the given options are option A, to increase current expenses. Option B, to ignore future needs. Option C, to meet routine expenses. Option D, to meet future financial requirements. And the correct answer is option D, to meet future financial requirements. And the next question is, why do financial planning requirement attention to constantly changing market conditions? And the given options are option A, to match market changes with client needs. Option B, to avoid attention to market dynamics. Option C, to complicate the process. Option D, to ignore market conditions. And the correct answer is option A, to make market changes with client needs. And the next question is, how do secured loans impact interest rates? And the given options are option A, increase interest rates. Option B, having no impact on interest rates. Option C, result in lower interest rates. Option D, lead to variable interest rates. And the correct answer is option C, result in lower interest rates. And the next question is, what role can investment advisor play in debt management? And the given options are option A, encouraging excessive borrowings. Option B, leading household into a debt trap. Option C, advising on efficient financing of assets. Option D, ignoring credit score. And the correct answer is option C, advising on efficient financing of asset. And the next question is, what is one type of fee only investment advisor may charges for their services? And the given options are option A, asset based fee as percentage. Option B, execution fee per transaction. Option C, distributor commission. Option D, referral fee for engaging experts. And the correct answer is option A, asset-based fee as the percentage. And the next question is, what is the significance of premium payments in insurance planning? And the given options are option A, to transfer risk, option B, to ignore unexpected events, option C, to complicate financial planning, option D, to increase household expenses. And the correct answer is option A, to transfer risk. And the next question is, what activity is important in the pre-retirement stage regarding the portfolio? And the given options are option A, maximizing volatility, option B, maintaining the status quo, option C, increasing risk, option D, rebalancing to less volatile asset. And the correct answer is option D, rebalancing to less volatile asset. And the next question is, what should be the focus as the retirement approaches in the planning process? And the given options are option A, considering expenses and income adequacy, option B, evaluating pension benefits, option C, reducing expenses, option D, maximizing returns. And the correct answer is option A, considering expenses and income adequacy. And the next question is, how does a good credit score impact loan applications? And the given options are option A, it has no impact on loan applications, option B, it decreases interest rates, option C, it guarantees loan approval, option D, it increases interest rates. And the correct answer is option B, it decreases interest rates. And the next question is, why is staggering in the timing of certain goals or strategy in financial planning? Option A, to compromise critical financial goals. Option B, to prevent compromising critical goals. Option C, to achieve all goals simultaneously. Option D, to create ambiguity in goal timelines. And the correct answer is option D, to prevent compromising critical goals. And the next question is, what regulatory intivates aims to prevent mis-sellings by differentiating difference between advice provider and product distributor? And the given options are option A, client planner relationship, option B, earning revenue from clients, option C, registered advisory services, option D, SEBI regulations. And the correct answer is option D, SEBI regulations. And the next question is, what problem can arise even if an individual spends less than what they earn? And the given options are option A, cash flow mismatch, option B, lack of budgeting, option C, delay in income receipt, option D, excessive borrowings. And the correct answer is option A, cash flow mismatch. And the next question is, why is insurance planning important in financial planning? And the given options are option A, to transfer risk through premium payments, option B, to increase household expenses, option C, to ignore unexpected events, option D, to complicate risk management. And the correct answer is option A, to transfer risk through premium payments. And the next question is, what is the purpose of identifying holes in the household budget? Option A, to decrease savings, option B, to ignore financial goals, option C, to increase discretionary spending, option D, to improve cash flow efficiency. And the correct answer is option D, to improve cash flow efficiency. And the next question is, what does the implementation steps involves in financial planning process? And the given options are option A, defining the client's planner relationship, option B, establishing client goals, option C, monitoring financial recommendations, option D, executing the plan with necessary procedures. And the correct answer is option D, executing the plan with the necessary procedures. And the next question is, what should the savings plan be part in the budget? And the given options are option A, discretionary expenses, option B, variable figures, option C, fixed figures, option D, contingency figures. And the correct answer is Option C, fixed figures. And the next question is, what is a drawback of physical asset in terms of investment opportunities? And the given options are option A, standardization, option B, high, high liquidity, option C, limited regulations, option D, small ticket investments. And the correct answer is option C, limited regulations. And the next question is, why might long-term goals like retirement get lower priority in saving allocations? And the correct answer is option A, urgency of short-term goals, option B, lack of importance, option C, focusing on specific targets, option D, ignoring client needs. And the correct answer is option A, urgency of shorter term goals. And the next question is, in what way does the top-down approach differ from the bottom-up approach? And the given options are option A, emphasizing individual stock selection, option B, disregarding risk preference, option C, focusing on specific bonds, option D, ignoring asset allocation. And the correct answer is option A, emphasizing individual stock selection. And the next question is, what is the impact of a higher discount rate on the present value of future cash flow? And the given options are option A, present value becomes negative, option B, present value remains constant, option C, present value decreases, option D, present value increases. And the correct answer is option C, present value decreases. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చారంటే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతున్నాయి అనుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్ దీనివల్ల మీరు కూడా చాలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఎవరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే, ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ మా వీడియోస్ నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి. కానీ మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా ఎన్ఎస్ఐఎం సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే వాళ్ళకి మన వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్.